Shamwari is one of the most successful private conservation initiatives in Southern Africa, coupled with responsible tourism. It is this symbiosis between conservation, five-star accommodation, and a world-class wildlife experience that makes Shamwari the industry leader that it is. Our mantra is to conserve a vanishing way of life. Together we strive to maintain not only a high standard of hospitality and service ethics, but also a superior safari and wildlife experience for all our guests. There are 6 5-star lodges at Shamwari. Each lodge offers its own unique and memorable experience. Whether you are romantic honeymooners or a family on safari. Guests can visit the Shamwari Wildlife Rehabilitation Centre, where injured and orphaned animals are rehabilitated and returned back into the wild. Shamwari hosts the Born Free Education Centre, which is a sanctuary for many big cats rescued from captive situations around the world. Shamwari is more than just a world-class wildlife destination. Every guest that stays with us contributes to the conservation and preservation of this vanishing way of life.